you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, let's check. Stand by, guys. Standing by. Standing by to see if we take the launch on. Looking the 1 hour. 1 hour day comes. Okay, the other level I have is 22675 and 669. So actually I have 3 levels together.
What's up, Gene?
675, 669, and 658. So we are inside my daily week.
Dude, those NVIDIA ads we had were absolutely filthy. Bless you, Mr. Gene. You ready for tonight, bro?
Yes, sir.
We're going to see Metallica tonight, baby. And guess who's opening for them?
Who?
Limp Bizkit.
I never heard of it.
Keep rolling, 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 rolling up. Keep rolling, move in, I move out. I ain't telling you get down. Back up, tell me what you gotta do now. Woo! I love that shit.
Did you got right yet?
Nice one.
Nice one. Bro, like, what's going on? Anything but trading. Let's go, Carby. Man, lucky kids.
I just want to roll these contents. Okay, guys, getting ready. The kilos are standing by. We are recovering 718. Actually, I'm gonna give it a try. Waiting for this candle to close. Okay, taking 9 kilos. 9 kilos.
Testing the NQ longs.
7 to 3. Yes. Seven to 3. I'll cover this 718. Let's see. My stop loss is 71.
Just gonna stay patient, y'all. Stay impatient, stay impatient. And as a reminder, what happens on Fridays if we make some money together? Can anyone tell me what happens at the end of stream if we make some money together? What's gonna happen?
You take your shirt off.
Gene, I'm not taking my shirt off. Quit asking. We're giving away some accounts. That's what's happening. We're giving back. So today I don't have any codes, but I do have cash, and I know y'all like some cash. So yes, we get Limp Bizkit. We're gonna blare some Limp Bizkit and give away some accounts if we have a green day. That is exactly what's happening. And some Enter Sandman by Metallica. That is absolutely 100% what's about to go down. Totally. I mean, we're eating steak and sushi too. That's mandatory. That goes without saying. I gotta pick up the humble Honda this morning. What was your entry, Greg?
7-3.
So break even right now.
Right. Right, yes. Right.
He wants Mole. Give him 740 plus.
Come on, baby, come on. 10 points profit so far. Still haven't changed yet, still waiting for a little more. Let's see the structure. Still have some greatness. Manage your trade. You want to train trade? Don't wait for me. Waiting a little bit more. If you took entry loans with me.
Green Eyes, I gotta say, I was very confused when you raised your hand what was going on. Not so much because you were, but someone named Yo Mama said yes, raise the hand. I was like, well, this certainly can't be Green Eyes. But it's Yo Mama said yes Friday.
Remove my stop loss at break-even. Whenever you me some here.
Greg's trimming his longs, guys, and his stop loss is at break even. He trades live in Team Bolt. If you guys want access to Team Bolt today, it's still early in the day. You can get full Discord access, screen share, no lag. Go to my Instagram, JDunn Trades, and you'll see it on the story. JDunn Trades on Instagram. It's on my story. The link is on my story right now, guys.
Stop loss at break-even. If you haven't trained yet.
So if you guys want access to the Discord, full screen share, no lag, like in a bigger screen community, tap into the Discord right now. You can go to my Instagram, JDunn Trades, and get it on my story. That's where the giveaway will be too. We'll be giving away some cash if I have a green day.
Don't.
In Discord.
Don't do it. Keep going on, baby. Keep going on. Give me more.
Okay, so 22,788.
We want more. We need more. Rise above. Rise above. The first green trade, guys.
Small W, it's all right.
know he's gonna pump. Just stop up.
It's the only true bounce I have on QQQ or NQ. Ways down near like the 540s. Way low. Let's see how this hourly candle closes too. I'm in no rush today. If we can get one good solid trade today, that's what I want.
And I'm just gonna pump, Jamie.
Now it's gonna pump. The GSI will be firing.
Why?
The GSI will be firing.
Okay, guys, recent wire took the impedance. I have the 4 hour level. They came out from the daily week. They recovered the 4 hour level that I mentioned, remember? The 718. So they came out from 709, which is the top of the week zone, recovered the 4 hour level. Price action stayed above. That was the reason we took the impedance.
Money bag Fridays. Let's go free titty. Bo took free titty into a baby. I guess the name makes sense now. Congrats, man. Yep, as a reminder, if you guys are trading on Apex, it's 80% off now with code JDUN. ApexTraderFunding.com. You can use code JDUN for 80% off and trade up to 20 accounts at a time. You can also use code JDUN with Tradeify for 35% off, all straight to funded accounts. And they just made a positive rule change. Instead of 10 days to pay out, it's only 7 now. So tap in, go to Tradeify.co or ApexTraderFunding.com and use code JDUN. Let it stand for discipline over dopamine. Thank you, Anna, for using the code. It means a lot to me, seriously. Thank you, Ultimate Cyber Warrior. Appreciate y'all more than you know. It means a lot, guys. I'll always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges. Watch it pump now, Greg.
Yeah. It's okay.
Our 15-minute range is made. Decent.
We'll make money. We'll still making money. Make it.
Decently large gap between 15-minute high and pre-market high. So that'll be interesting. This is your coffee, Gene,
Oh, okay.
if you want it. Made 171 off Greg's call. Let's go.
Hey, you guys.
Whoops. Let's see. Come on. Give us something good. Give us something good. As a reminder, if you want access into the Discord for the giveaway later, for full live screen share, and for everything else we offer in the free Discord as part of Free Friday, make sure you guys go to my Instagram, JDUN Trades. It's on my story right now. The link's on my story. I don't have time to send it to you right now. I'm focusing, but... if you'd rather be in Zoom than here, you can go on over to IG. It's on my story. Okay, guys, I'm watching, I'm waiting, I'm staying patient, I'm staying disciplined over dopamine like I do every single day. Our 4 main levels are in. We're staggered this morning, meaning we have pre-market high, 15-minute high, pre-market low, 15-minute low. We had some incredible trades this week, so I'm not in any rush to take anything. Obviously, I want us to end our week on a banger. I want to make some cash to give you guys some cash. But it's not a must. If we get an A+ setup, I'll take it. That's a must to execute, but it's not a must to take a trade. We're day traders, not trade everyday traders. Very important to distinguish. Still nothing A+ for me. You know what looks crazy though, guys? What looks just insane? Look at this weekly candle. I mean, what a rocket. We do have news today as well. That is correct.
Where are you looking, Liam?
What's up, bro?
Where are you looking?
I don't really have anything specifically on watch right now. I'm pretty mixed because we're in between both the 15-minute high and low and the pre-market high and low. So I don't really have a ton right now that I love, but that obviously could change very soon. We have consumer sentiment in 9 minutes. So I will likely wait till after news. If something really good comes up, we can try it. Obviously have to have news in the back of our mind as a risk parameter, but that's something that I'm willing, if we find something really good, I'm open to the idea. It just adds on a little risk if you have news.
And another weight. Well, I have this for what I was again, guys. The 704. Just have to wait, see what happens.
Trading all-time highs, just for me at least, requires a bit more patience.
Yeah, look at this 718, guys. Let's see. For our level.
As a reminder, if you are on TikTok or YouTube, appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all hitting that follow button. I am live on YouTube. I have a ton of value on there at JDunn Trades. If you're on the YouTube, appreciate y'all being here. Soon enough, we will be on full screen, but for now, y'all getting the same trades on the phone. So thank you guys for tapping in.
So for our level will be 760 to 760 and yes, below 709.
Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna do my best to keep giving you guys value.
Those new levels will be, for me, will be active after 10 a.m. So 760, 707. So we will have several levels together, like a 718, 709, 70%. So it's an interesting zone, that one. And also 760, we could get a rejection there after 10 a.m. All this is after 10 a.m. 760, or maybe in the break of 760 and continue pumping, bouncing in this level and continue pumping. We will know.
You guys taking anything yet, Team Bowl? You guys still tapped in on chat? Took as long as the Greg, nice. You caught some points. Caught some points to start the day. Yep, good idea, Stanley. Then just to relax. Green eyes in the longs.
Looking for first trim spot at 762 area for first trim.
Way back from the Grizzly's not here today. Coldplay. He's on dad duty, so unfortunately you're stuck with myself, Green Eyes, and oh, nice trade, Green Eyes so far. Gonna pump.
Adding some longs here at 52. Look at a full size position and make a few longs. Stop moving with the positive everyone had. Looking to TP at 760 with first trim.
That's what I'm very nice. Okay, guys, 760, never remains.
764 from his next world. Perfect. That was beautiful. I'm still in full position. And I'd like to add a little bit more, moving my stops up dramatically. Good level there, Greg. Very nice.
Nice try, man.
Thank
Just
you.
wondering for after you finish the trade, will you please let us know what was your reason to enter? Just to learn what was.
I can let you know right now, I've been watching the 7-4-0 level. We'll get consolidation for 15 minutes within a 10-point range. I have it marked in my chart at 50% retracement on the fib at 736, right at 740.
Alright. Thank you, man.
That's clear for everyone.
Closed above that 15-minute high too. We just immediately jolted.
Okay, I'm taking my first trim at 765. I'm gonna get up to 774 for my second trim. And stop smooth up. Got 25 points so far green.
Is this just the going?
So Timbo making money with 10 AM, guys. I tried it. What else do you want?
Where'd my face go?
Before data drops. Stop smooth up to 751, 752.
Why'd my face disappear?
At point, so I would keep even my add and average up in the group.
What the
Remember, if you're
hell?
averaging up into a trade, like what positions are in the trade, always move your stops up when then you're well past it. If you want that to look at.
Why is my face gone on the TikTok?
You see a stalling out here with volume before data drops. Keep your stop low in profits. I'm going to have a reaction on very quick. Closing on my second TP here at 774. If we do dip with that, I'll be looking to take longs again down to the 726 level if we have a second opportunity. Okay, trade close 776.
Nice job, Green Eyes.
776 closed for 36 points.
Nice job, Green Eyes. Great trade.
Trade successful. Thank you very much.
Trade successful. That's right.
Keep calm and move on. Ready to post in chat if you get a bit of money. Show me W, show me the heart, show me the flame.
That was good.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, you killed that, bro. Show me the heart, show me the flame.
A large win, but 36 points is good, and before that is great. I'm good on this.
Oh my gosh.
Complete.
Nuclear.
50 to 60 people made some good money there. 3.5K, beautiful.
Oh, what's this? This is a little too high. Where we go?
We gotta go on. Yes, this is gonna be a win. It's a good one.
I might have missed my entry down here at 43. Thinking that.
Equinox, possible. Stop me out. Equinox. What's the move? I'm happy that that is the first one.
And what a pump, that's still going up.
What a freaking pump.
Okay, well, success, everyone. Wonderful to see. Ever had any more questions on why I did that trade? Let me know. If the explanation was clear, but I'm happy to mention it again.
Nice job, Green Eyes. Very good job, Green Eyes. Great job. Man, RIP to Jordan, bro. We only spoke a few times, but
Thank you, sir. It's just another day.
so sad to see when that happened, man.
A successful run. I'm gonna go post that on my social. We're gonna have a beautiful. For 1,000 people listening in on live stream.
A couple on my own bros doubted me. If y'all got it, make sure y'all post your gains. Honestly, looking at the orb, looking back, and what I'll put in my journal is I missed that we barely closed above this level. This would have been a time where for me at 743, with the market trend up, volume increasing, could try a long here, a light size along with stops below this. We closed just at or right below or right above the level. So I did miss that one, but it is what it is. If it would have closed a little higher, it would have been a different story. But we closed right at it, just slightly above. Happened to miss it, but luckily Green Eyes and Greg both caught longs. So as long as the team's eating, I'm chilling. One person who posts their gains today, I'm gonna be buying you dinner too. How about that? Whether I make money or not today. I'm buying someone who posts their gains dinner tonight. We eat steak and Team Bowl, right? Well, you want a steak? Want your steak paid for? Post them gains in the post your gains section. Let's go.
Qualify for that 3 also 400. Come on, I want to know too.
Oh, it's still crowning. I'm gonna do my best to find you a winner. So when you're looking for a pullback on this type of day where we're aggressively moving up, our 50% retracement is right where our 15-minute high is, but after this aggressive of a move, it's tough to buy this pullback back down. We can watch price action potentially do it, but just got to be cautious. I'm certainly not looking to short. You could also, a little higher risk, wait for a pullback to pre-market high here, dump, reclaim, and go up. You just have to be real tight with your risk on when you're all-time highs, so you never know when the pullback's going to come.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave the market maybe 10 more minutes. I have to go. For a few more minutes and see what happens. If not, we'll be done for the day, guys. That seems to go.
So Gene, no trading for you today?
I decided to take you go.
Are you going to? Nice. $780 is an option. Yeah, I missed a good setup off that 15-minute high close. Nice job, Beckmore.
No, it was a move.
Certainly didn't miss.
Stop me now.
The GSI really fired today.
Yeah, man. He was a great. He was on the right trade. Luckily, I managed to trade. So I had the opportunity to back in with me, brother. Yeah.
Porque no existe, hombre.
Wow. That's a liquidity super well.
I'm grabbing longs right now. I'm taking longs. And I dip 7. That was a beautiful dip. That was your pullback for longs.
I was hoping we'd see 780, that pre-market high. Not sure we're gonna get it though.
Let's go.
Yeah, trade gains. I'm a little bummed I missed it, but it's not the end of the world.
You got nowhere to check back to. So high up. Keep pumping. Yeah, I'm watching potential top here. Be careful if you have longs. Every 2 secondary reversals with dips like that. This is not a place for you to long steady.
Good if you hold 800. I just personally, if I'm going to try longs, I want to see a pullback to at least pre-market high or some sort of key level. 780, maybe a flush below. We'll see. As a reminder, guys, we're staying patient. We've had a few good trades on live stream. No trades for me personally yet. Make sure if you guys are trading on your funded accounts or looking for funding, you use code JDUN on Apex or Tradeify for the best possible discounts. 80% off on Apex and 35% off on Tradeify. Tradeify also offers straight to funded accounts. Skip the eval, go straight to funded for just a bit more. Bro, the second Joker leaves Denver, I'll never watch a game again.
We'll leave Denver.
I got a I gotta get the site back up. But I'll get you that link ASAP, Nate. Appreciate you supporting, bro. It means a lot. It's still going up.
Nice trade. Very nice.
Definitely risky to answer here, but if anyone grabbed for skip with me 794, I'd recommend spending the trip with. Okay, 20 points again. Plan to cash out, be happy. Finish working in less than
That was a mega trade level from my entry. Ya estoy chévere. Ya la semana que viene I have to go.
All right, Greg. See you later, bro.
See you later, Mr. Jaden. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice weekend, Green Eyes. Good trades, man. Have a nice weekend in Bull family. We got a good trade in kilos. We got the right idea. So, green day for me. Green day for Tingle.
Yes, sir. Great job, Greg.
Enjoy the week. Thank you. See you on Monday, same time, same channel. Bye bye, guys.
I'm gonna try to make us 3-0 on the day. Anthony, I'm gonna do my absolute best to help you do that, bro. I'm gonna do my absolute best. Tell you, it's starting to look like a little pullback here with how strong this market is. It's tough. Oh my gosh, those won't stop. I found a video on YouTube exposing J-Down and FFF. Any comments on these videos that keep popping up? Bro, I haven't owned FFF for 4 months and they've paid almost $8 million and they're still in business. I founded a prop firm that's paid $8 million to traders and sold my equity in it like any founder of a business wants to do and sells out and leaves. And the traders still get paid. And now I come on here and hit bangers every day. These guys, man, I don't get it. But hey, since you're bringing attention to the chat, make sure if you are trading with FFF, with Tradeify, or with Apex, you use code JDUN for the best possible discount. I got you. Means the world to me, and I will always do my best, lovers and haters, to help you pass your evals and get paid out.
which is up at 873.
Man, I love y'all. Y'all the best. You're the best.
Having
Thing is, I just come with facts. When they people ask, I can always come with facts, you know. I wish we had some sort of Q level rejection here because this chart is looking halfway decent for shorts, at least for a slight pullback with these two aggressive wicks to the upside. $15-minute is not as pullback looking. I'll watch for a pullback to pre-market high. That's my main watch for longs right now. And even if I didn't sell out my stake, who cares? You know? Like a lot of the people, it's funny, the prop industry is just so toxic. That's a big reason why I sold I sold out. I don't want to do it anymore. It's so toxic. A lot of the people that talk T are the ones who promoted Fast Track, who actually rug pulled and actually they took crypto payments, they took wire payments. So guess what? People couldn't charge back. When you trade with a firm like FFF or any normal firm these days, you pay with card or PayPal, therefore you can charge back if you get scammed. So people don't get. It's not taking over the stream. I'm just saying it's funny. When you hit them with facts, they're like, oh, well, you're a scammer just cuz then. Like, bro, what are you talking about? Damn, GD hit a banger too? That's awesome. GD's link was in the free section.
You really had a nice work day.
What's up?
GD really had
Hit a good trade? GD's a killer inside Team Bull, bro. Do not sleep on that boy GD. Yeah, don't sleep on GD. His win rate's nuts. He's a great part of the Team Bull family. He has been for like 4 years. I still remember when GD and I joined forces. His Discord was he had a separate Discord. It was getting hacked. Some goofball he hired. We got the Guru water today, fellas. We got the Mountain Valley Spring Water. All right, let's watch if we get. I don't love a pullback to pre-market high, but it's the only level I see. Market's so damn strong. I don't have any interest in shorts until we see some sort of more confirmation to the downside versus just catching the top. I don't like trying to catch tops at all-time high. Been watching you since 2021 when you were trading SPY and QQQ. That's awesome, bro. That means a lot. Thank you for the support. GD with the absolute nuker today. Give it a pullback to 788. Not quite pre-market high. Missed the pullback, but not a pullback that I'm boned about missing because we didn't go deep enough to where my at any sort of risk reward. So reminder, if you guys want the best possible discounts on Apex and Tradify, make sure you guys use code JDown. I'll always do my best to help y'all trade with discipline. If you join my streams, I want you trading with discipline. Interesting. My trading view and TOS are showing showing different numbers.
From the contract.
No, they're both September expiration. Not a big deal. There's a war going on, but you can't have forever. These 5-minute candles, I'm not sure I can get behind for a long. Look how aggressive this sell was.
Very aggressive.
I'm not sure I can get behind that. We'll see. Survival of the fish, only strong survive.
We're down at 780, that what you're looking for?
I was looking for 7. Well, I guess my trading view was wrong about pre-market high. We just was 78, 88 on there too.
I had the same thing, a 787.
Yeah, my trading view said 780. So interesting. Same contracts, just weird.
I think I'm gonna test it out. See how this looks here, maybe we'll get 5 and then Q long to 780.
$775.
Running around.
Yeah, Rikus here.
Alright, that means bullish. Let's go up. We're definitely going up.
I'd like to see how this candle closes. I'm open to a long too, but just would like to see a wick up first. The price is right. Still nothing from me, guys. Just waiting. Don't you guys know if I take anything. How these 5-minute candles look, I'm just not as confident back to the upside. Let's see how this next 5-minute candle closes. Decent over half the candle, wake up, higher volume. $77.64. Still nothing for me, guys. Still waiting. No, the VWAP all the way down to 43. Still staying patient, guys. Still staying patient. ES is above its pre-market high still. I got my finger on the trigger for longs, just haven't pulled it yet. Have not pulled it yet. Have not pulled it yet. Choosing discipline over dopamine. That is correct. Yep, waiting for any confirmation. I won't take the trade without confirmation. I'm being very patient. I want to see some sort of confirmation on this 5-minute candle that we found a low. I don't love what we saw up here as far as that reversal went. Wake up every morning. Woo! I don't love this candle either. Still no entries for me, guys. I gotta use the restroom quick. Hopefully I don't miss the entry. I'm gonna sprint.
Hello. Huh? What? I left. Are you doing work? Alright. Jeff, do you shit the house? He's not really good.
Okay. Holy frick. Oh my gosh. See if you hold this 5 minute.
Well, my long is at 780, paid off. Guys think I didn't cut that? We'll add some more, let's be above 800 here. Send Joe quick time of leader. That's good. This above 800, clear 817, and add so long above 850. Let's push up. Let's go, Broski.
Just want to see this candle close. I'll join in longs too.
Yeah, just moved my stock into the green. Anything above 800 looks bullish. I'm going to add when we touch 850. The original entry is 780, as I mentioned earlier. The baby size. Smaller than baby size, really.
Let's see here how this candle closes.
I think anything that really prompted that sudden jump though.
E85. I want to see it move back down to 90s to 85. That's where I'd look for the longs and a little more pullback with a stop below 67. If you want a higher risk entry, you could try around here. Just don't love those wicks up.
This is my entry. I'm re-entering longs. Re-entering into long.
A little lower. I might miss my entry, but I'm being extra patient today. I like this area in here if you're on screen share. I want to see this because we can keep our stops below here. Just a little too much risk adding here. Even if I think there's a good chance we continue up, I just want to see a little better risk reward ratio if I'm going to enter. So Hope Green Eyes Prince. Personally waiting. As a reminder, y'all choose discipline over dopamine. Appreciate y'all being here.
SPX just made a new daily high. I think we have some volume to continue going up.
I do too.
It's going to require the patience.
So let's see a little more pullback.
You're looking for high 80s, low 90s, aren't you?
Yes.
That's fair enough.
Yeah, just
89 looks really good, actually.
yeah, it just makes more sense from a risk reward standpoint for how I trade at least. And then if I enter down in, high 80s, I get stopped below 68, 67. It's not so bad.
We're having small consolidation here, so let's be patient. Watch the price action, find the top and the bottom of our range, and see whether it's a breakup or a breakdown. Another option you can do range trading as well. On the extremes of your range over a period of 20 to 25 minutes, you can play that as well. It works for futures and options.
Still
Here's
watching.
that hard point for you. This should be around
Testing the
entry
longs,
point.
guys. Testing the longs.
Nice.
Yep. The stops below 68. I am really light, so I have room to add, but I like in this area. If we don't get this reclaim 800, then probably no bueno. I didn't get a great fill on that, but
We tested that 815 area twice, so it's a good chance we tested the third time. A very bullish sentiment in the market today. No more news is scheduled to go. There's no clear sign for reversal. Market maker wants to end Friday on a positive note. Let's manifest it. There you go, that's about 10 points.
come on, yep, so far 10.
Nice. Back to break even on mine.
Yep. Not enough room to trim, but This 1 minute doesn't look great. 5 minute looks okay. It's my only plan for the day, so, or for the afternoon, I should say. Sitting at break even right here.
Did the CEX is stronger than NQ at the moment?
Getting Q to pick up the slack. I don't like that 5 minute close there. I don't like that much. It's not ideal. It's technically a pre-market high still, but it's not what I want to see there. We'll see. Risk is defined, capped, so worst case, we're small red in the day. It's been a really nice week, so we'll see. The market has about maximum another hour 10 from me. If we flush 80, I'm going to cut this early, guys. I'm going to cut it for 7, 8 points if we flush 80 aggressively. I cut this early, guys. 10 points. I'll look if we build back above 93, I'll re-enter, but I cut that early, everyone. I cut that early, 77. So 11 points. Cut that early, everyone, just so you guys all heard. I ended that trade red, but I cut it early. If we break above 93, I'll re-add it. Kept that really, really small, so I'm happy about that, but definitely not green on that trade.
Yeah,
I didn't like what I was seeing on that volume, so cut it early, just over 10 points. Looks like that was a good call. I did not like what I was seeing on that 5 minute chart, so you know what, we're bailing early. If we break above 93 again, we can look for longs and then move up, but tried it, saw the ready on the wall. 0 for 1 on the day. 0 for 1 on the day, everybody. Kept it small, so depending on your field, 10, 11, 12, 13 points. Did not like how that was looking. When you see that 5 minute close below your key level, and then 1 minute aggressive selling volume picking up, just nope. Wasn't going to risk it. So I'm actually pretty happy how that trade, even though it wasn't a winner, I'm happy how I ended up managing that. Evers. We got room for one more. If I take one more loss, I got to follow my rules and be done for the day, even though that was cut it smaller, so on less size and less of a planned loss. That's not technically a full loss. We could have 2 more, but hopefully we won't need it. Hopefully we'll just catch a winner and be done. If we get the breakout, strong move, I'll enter. Besides that, I have no interest in forcing anything. So if I find something good, then, we'll take it. If not, no biggie. That would have gotten swept lower, so on the bright side, saved. Over 10 points of risk. That's a plus. Oh, we got touched. Not quite the 15-minute. Don't go back inside this range. Please don't go back inside this range.
Please do not eat the glass.
Yes. No long setups for me still, guys. Nothing new. I'll let you guys know if that changes. Yeah. And that's what I talk about with you guys with managing your risk is that, in an uptrend, I'm open to trying that potential higher low. If you don't get it, you manage your risk in that particular setup. You don't just hold for hope. Well, we'll see if we can be the comeback kid today or if we're going to take small red. It's not often that I cut a trade early like that, but did not look good. It's that 15-minute high. One loss so far this morning. It was small, but one loss nonetheless. We'll see what we get next. We always call it exact trades I take, win or lose. No hindsight, no showing you after the fact. If I win, we win together. If I lose, we lose together. So I'm staying patient for my next setup. This market has 1 more hour for me. 1 more hour today. This market has 1 more hour for me today. I can't get myself to go short, but also I can't long down here either. So just gonna stay patient. Hopefully we can get the old school J Dunn second trade of the day ripper. Honestly, we can get a trade over 10 points or 11, call it 15 points, still be a green day. Let's go, Stanley. Let's go. Stay patient. Ooh. On this next trade. We will find it, but it's going to require some patience for sure. See, the low here is 45. This candle's about to close. Stronger green. Come on. Missed my long entry again. Wanted more of a pullback. With 45 risk, wanted at least, well, we got to 65, but man. The ES is definitely leading the way. Moving strong. I will not long up here though. I'll wait. Be up at 88. We'll see. If I see another setup I like, I'll take it. But if not, I'm happy to end small red. You know, had very minimal risk on that first trade. Cut it early, so we'll see. I'm okay with small red. I'm okay with small red. I have at least another hour, so plan on going until 10 Mountain Time. Appreciate y'all being here. I always do my best to help y'all trade with discipline. Win, lose, or draw, we trade together. We trade with discipline. Make sure if you guys haven't already, if you're trading with Apex or Tradeify or looking to get started, you use code JDUN for your best possible discount. 80% off Apex and 35% off Tradeify. Let's go. Appreciate y'all being here. Yeah, thank you guys for all being here. It means the world to me. I'm not in anything, guys. Missed another not great entry, but potential entry after this move off the 15-minute low. Just be more cautious after a first loss, though it was small. Still being more cautious. Technically speaking, we could have two more well, 1.5 more full-size losses. But hopefully we don't have that. Hopefully we can get one winner, catch 20, 30 points, call it a day. That's what I'd like to see. I'm not in any trades right now, just for the record. What's that, smell, Gene? Gum?
No, it's like peppermint oil.
Oh.
It goes in your neck. My neck hurts a little bit. So yeah.
It's like, what is that? Well,
Does it smell good or is it gross?
I don't mind it. I just didn't know what it was.
It smells like gum. Really helps with soreness.
Part of me wants to try shorts up here. Call me crazy. Wish this candle had a bit more volume, but how's the wick down? Potential low or high in here. Call me crazy. Part of me is looking for a shorts entry. I just hate that because we've been so strong. So I'll let you guys know if I take anything. I just need to see a little more. Here's the plan. What we could do is test shorts up in these 70s. Stops above pre-market high. And if we build a base above here, since my first loss was lower size, then gives me room for one more trade. Oh, come on. Little more pop up. Don't dip without me. Oh, come on. Not quite yet, Bubba. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh.
Netflix went on a river today.
Did it?
$20. These weekend, maybe.
I'm adding some shorts as we pop up, guys. $65 to $70. Try a small size. Ideally, like to see 75 area. But it's looking good, so did try that up there. Smaller size. With the shorts. Like to see us continue down. We'll see. It's the only other thing I have. We have decent looking lower high here. If we break above this and trend up, we can look for a break above this structure too for upside. So, because the first loss was so small, my risk is managed here. I'm open to taking 2 small losses than a third trade. After that, even with 3 small losses, I'm for sure 1,000,000% done. $1,000,000%. Waited past good trades and then chased this. I'm not chasing anything. You clearly are new here. I guess that shows you're not a premium member. Oh, I hate how that candle closed for shorts. Higher wick up, higher volume, we'll see. $65 to $70 was first ad. Only potential spot I saw for a lower high. If we break above this structure, you guys can see it on screen share. You know that we like to trend up higher. If we get a break through this structural, fancy word, trend line here, then we can look for a longs entry up. That's all I see. I play where the probabilities are. If I can limit my risk to 15 points or so, 20 points, that's cool with me. There's only one more setup I see, and that's if we break this structure with these pre-market highs, can look for longs. If we get that, I will take longs. If I take 3 small losses, I'm 100% done, over $1,000 red on the day at that point. Is it gonna ping me? It'll be 2 small losses for the day if I take that. If this candle closes green, 1 more trial small size. If I get that red, I'm done with 3 losses, 3 small losses on the day. If I would have taken a full size loss in the first trade, it would be done. So even 3 small losses, I'm 100% done, no matter what. This candle closes strong, higher volume. I will try long if we break this structure. That's the last thing I see. Fakes me out, I'm done even with 3 small losses. That's my risk rule. I'll be at max loss for the day. I will give him back a full day and a half's worth of profit. And that's just what it is. So we'll see how this candle closes. It stopped me out at that 87. If I take 1 more small loss, if I take another trade, I'm 100% done, or I'm just going to end red in the day. No, not going short. Had my plan, didn't work out. So if we break this structure and see a nice move to the upside, I will go long. That's the last thing I see. If I take 3 losses, I'm 1,000,000%, even though the first was small, I'm done. I'm not. I followed my plan. 87. got this potential. So you see a little more break. I like how this candle looks. I wish we would have had a bit higher volume, but I'd love to see us break the structure up. See? One more try along to this dip. If I lose, down to 80, I'm done. It's only, what, 15 points of risk. Well, a little more, 83. One more test on longs. If I lose this, I'm just done for the day. Longs. Not flipping flopping. Took one trade earlier, tried shorts, lower high, failed, broke above pre-market high, closed. So I'm trying one more trade on longs. If it doesn't work out, then I'm done. No matter what. Tried it down there on that dip. If I would have had a full-size loss on my first trade, I'd be done right now. I have 2 full-size losses. That's my absolute max loss. So, closed above pre-market highs. You can see here. On this dip down, anywhere in 80, 75, I'm willing to go long. I already tried it near 80. I'd like to see a break of the structure. If we break below the 65, I'm wrong. I lose for the day. It is what it is. We restart the winning streak again. We've had all green days this week. So I'll take 1 red for 4 green. Hard stops are set too, by the way. Yeah, I hope so, but this is what it is, you know. If I take a red in the day, that's cool. It's fine by me. Can't win them all. It's not Pokemon. Can't catch them all, right? We'll see. It's going good so far. If we wouldn't have closed the pre-market high, I would not have tried it, but it's my last shot. Yeah, Savage, I'm about there too, bro. About there too, bro. Need to break out this candle. If we fail this, then I have let y'all down for the day with my losses. Got a good ad down there near 81, so biggest risk is 16 points. Would like to see a break above 800. Up 10 points right here, but not enough for me to trim. No, I don't like that 5 minute close. We're up 10 points. So You know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to bring my stops up to break even on this. And the reason being is if we don't break out this candle, if we flush, then it shows that I was wrong. So I'm going to move my stops up here to break even. We're up 15 points almost so far. Move my stops up here to break even. About 15 points so far. You can feel free to manage how you see fit, but I brought my stops up to break even, guys. Whoops. We're breaking out of the structure. I like that. So far, 15 points, guys. Let's keep it moving. Come on. We want 800 plus. Give us the breakout. Come on. Give it to Daddy. Come on. I'm going to go ahead and trim a little off here, guys, just in case. I'm trimming a few off here at 800, guys. I'm trimming a few off here at 800. Come on. Give it to Daddy. 20 plus points so far, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see if we can get more. I trimmed at 800, guys. Come on. Give us more. Let's go, baby. 805. Trimming a few more off. Come on. Come on. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. We're back in the green. Yes, yes. Push, push, push. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. We want more out of this, though. I want high a day. Stops are trailed. Come on, baby. Do it for Papa. Give us high a day. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. That's 25 points so far. Made up for both the losses. As far as points are concerned. I want more, though. I want high a day. Come on. Come on, give us more. We want more. Just trail your stops up too. Trail your stops up. Come on, give us high a day out of this. Got something. We've just fought back to the green. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. This looks good in the 5 minute, guys. Looks very good in the 5 minute. It's exactly what I wanted to see. I told you guys that was the case before it happened. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Who cares if I lost 2 trades before? The first one was hardly a loss, barely. Second one followed the plan too. I follow my plan, I traded the system, and when the system fires, overtime it will work because I manage my risk and I hold my winners correctly and I cut my losers correctly. Come on, push up more. We want 810 plus. What do you mean you wish I knew when I added? I was so transparent about it, bro. I couldn't have been more transparent. You guys heard me, correct? Said I took the L at 87. I was following my plan. I was adding on the dip down to 80. Longs. So hopefully this helped if you're trading with me, get you back to break even, get you close to it, or almost to 810. Come on. Yeah, started the day with 2 losses. Third, nice win so far. Almost 30 points, guys. Made up for both the first losses. And so we are green in the day now. I want more, though. Push, baby, push. Push, baby, push. Would love to see 815 out of this. Would love to see 815 out of this. And guess what? That means someone is getting some cash today, baby. Come on, push. I'm taking one more con off here at 812. One more con off here at 812, guys. Holding the rest till high a day. Want full size on this trade. Well, not quite. Almost full size. Should make sure to explain that. Almost full size. Come on. We want more. Come on. Give us more. Do it for Limp Biscuit. Do it for Limp Biscuit. Come on. Come on, I want our position rolling. Come on.
Partner, keep on rolling, baby.
Come on.
You know what time it is.
Come on, push it. No, wrong way. My stops are still trailed. Up. Right now at 95. Come on! No, breathe in, breathe out, go up! Okay, that's enough Limp Biscuit for now. We'll go back to chill music. Hope it does boom. Where's the guy that told me I was not being disciplined over dopamine, that told me that I was chasing horrible entries? Where'd that guy go? Hope you took that with me, bro. Hope you made back. I know I lost my first 2 trades. They were small. They were small. They were small. I'll own it. When I lose trades, I lose trades. That's going to happen, guys. This is why I try to tell you guys it's all about keeping them small. I don't sit there and let myself get destroyed, more and more destroyed. It's all managed risk. If I would have lost 3 trades today, I was walking away chilling. You know? It's part of the game. Someone asked how you only close 1 contract when you have 2 open. You just change your bar with the number of contracts to 1. You sell 1. If you're in 2 buys, you sell 1. Lost first 2, but third put me at break even. That's awesome. Even if you got back to small rat or break even today, that's a win, guys. Come on, give us 815 plus. Dude, no. Come on, push it up. Hard stops are trailed right below 800, guys. In the profits. Got over 30 points in this trade so far. With a 30-point trim. Dude, what is wrong with this guy? I'm busy making money. What?
What's up, buddy pal?
What? What do you
We
want?
took the same trade. How'd you know?
You took my trade again?
No, you took my trade.
No, Brandon, that's just simply not what happened. Come on, push it up! We got 815. I did not take another trim, though. I want to aggressive move above 815.
What was your entry?
I'm still holding this. 81.
Oh, damn, you got better entry. I got 9-2.
Bro, I'm holding my runner so this thing hits high day.
See?
I could secure a green day, though. I was red. I lost my first 2 trades.
Good shit.
Yep. Come on! Push it up, baby! All right, one more baby runner off here, 815. Got the solid push up. One more baby runner off. All right, bye. Goodbye, Brandon.
Bye.
Come on! This trade is personal. This market pissed me off for the first 2 trades. Nope, not a revenge trade. In the end, I had to fall to lose it all. I for sure thought I was coming to y'all today with a red day. But again, as I told y'all, we win together, we lose together. Bigger winners. So you guys notice I'm always very defined and tight with my risk. I do my best to let this trade run as much as I can, but still staying nicely green. I honestly got blessed that I kept the first 2 very, very small. Especially whenever we're in an aggressive uptrend, as we saw earlier. But I tried that potential lower high entry. I always go less size if I'm trading a reversal because your potential for an aggressive move is higher. So in those trades, I might take 5 MNQ, right? Or if I'm taking a trend entry, I really like it. Things are good, I'll take 10, 15, up to 20, up to 2 minis. That's usually the biggest I'll go. Usually the most I'll go is 20 MNQ or 2 minis. I honestly don't see, for me at least, how I trade, there's no need for more, personally. As a reminder, y'all, if you're trading with Apex or Tradeify, Apex is 80% off right now using code JDUN. Tradeify is 35% off using code JDUN. Tradeify just made some cool changes. There's 7 days to pay out instead of 10 now. They also offer straight to funded, so skip the eval, go straight to funded with Tradeify. Pretty cool. I have Apex and Tradeify accounts when I trade on fundeds. I typically just trade with real money though. I gotta get back on my funded journeys. Come on. We want more out of this. Well, no one ever believes that I'm 6'7" until they see me in person. Whenever I meet someone from Team Bull in person, they're just like, holy crap, you're way bigger in person. Like, I know, I just kind of kept going up. I was corn-fed from Nebraska, bro. Corn and beef. I'm a beefy boy. So Tradeify works. Instead of having to take an eval and get to a funded, you pay a little more and you go straight to funded. The only downside is that your consistency is lower. $7 days to get paid. I mean, yeah, you don't like the trailing drawdown on an Apex. I understand that part. If it's not for you, it's not for you. But they're also the most scalable firm. What's the reason they haven't or what was the email about? Last name? I can tell you they have paid the most. Say what people want to say. You know, they've paid the most of any firm. 98 right now, Printer. Right below 800 in case we tap 800. I really want to see this high a day. The Utah Jazz select 6'7" Jade Dunyan rings. That's crazy. I am playing for the Utah Jazz, I'll tell you what. I just want to see a nuker above 820. Hopefully I helped some of y'all come back to green or break even or, you know, have a better day. I'm still holding this, by the way, guys. I want more. I want above 820. The biggest thing I'm proud of today is not that I went red to green and still growing on the green. It's not even about the winning trade versus the two losers I started with. It's that we were explaining what I wanted to see in this break of structure, right? In the game plan and how I went from, all right, you know what, I lost in the short, that's fine. Let's flip, see the close of a pre-market high and follow our plan up. That's what I'm proud of, is that, you know, when you spot price action in a system that works, you're gonna get paid over time. That's what I want you guys to understand. So you have to follow a system. I follow my system, I manage my risk, and I could have lost this third trade today and been red in the day. Totally. Absolutely could have happened. But it didn't. Well, I mean, obviously not the biggest thing I'm proud of in life, but biggest thing I'm proud of in this trading day that we traded together. I still see one nuker candle up to high a day. Come on. Come on, buyers. Pop us up. Liquidity sweep to the upside. Please do not let this trade go remotely red. I am. My stops are just below 800. But again, manage how you see fit, guys. At 20, that's 40 points. For 15 points of risk. That's almost 3R. It's getting close to 3R. Just one liquidity sweep up. That's all I'm asking for. One sweep above 22825. So as we pop up here to 820, I'm going to take off one more baby contract too. I don't know if we're going to trend up all day, but I'm going to de-risk here at 820. A little more. I just want one massive pop above 22,825. One aggressive pop up, 10, 15 more points. That's why I took a little bit more off there. I was worried that might happen at 820. adjust my stop. There we go. Still at 98. Just had to take a few contracts off myself. I love seeing y'all requesting your payouts, getting paid. Love seeing y'all crushing it. This is violent shit. Hopefully don't find the elevator. Ooh, that's not looking good in the MNQ 1 minute. That's not looking good. This 820 level is going to be a tough cookie to crack, but that's why our stops are trailed up into profit. Nearly 20, almost, not quite, nearly 20 points in the profit. This is your daily, hourly routine reminder to choose discipline over dopamine, fellas. Hey, it's gonna pay out Tuesday. Yeah. So reminder, if y'all get those payouts, post them inside Post Your Gains and Team Bowl, everybody. I love seeing your payouts. If you're in the mentorship, post them in mentorship wins. Love seeing y'all win. I am certainly not 2 for 2. I'm 1 for 3 on the day. I was 2 for 2 on losses earlier. Definitely not on wins, but we just caught a banger. Both bigger. We got blessed that I was baby size. I mean, the first loss I took was only added size and I cut it halfway through. Second loss I took, I only got that first ad, didn't get the second one. Cut that planned. Now I just need to see this explode over 820 and I'll be very, very pleased with where we're at. I love Tradeify TV for the goats.
Just one step at a time, work through it. We're here to help as much as we can. DGen Nick's smart. The stop is break even.
Let's go over here.
So you're right. That's the smart thing to do. So we're going to need you to go ahead and lose that DGen tag because that's moving your stop is a very un-DGen mode, right? In fact, DGen.
Does Jaden have a rushy trigger? Not today.
Yeah, if you pull this trade off, this will be the trade for you.
Don't. Come on. I knew this 820 was going to be tough for them to crack. So do you guys see why with today's trading day, why I tell you guys trading is more discipline than anything else? Yes, it's strategy and system, but also just not having the ability to not blow up. You guys have to have the ability to take a loss or two losses and be okay mentally. And not let it blow you up, because that's what stops most traders. If you have decent entries, if you have good risk management, and you have great ability to control your emotions and not blow yourself up after a loss or two, you're going to be in a good spot for trading. But it's not a good, it's almost impossible for you guys to make progress long term if after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever, 10 trades, one of those you blow yourself up or take a 3, 4, 5 hour loss. Doesn't work like that. Can't happen. Can't go on tilt. You gotta put that in the past. But, yeah, you know, I'm always gonna do my best. Hey, let's go, Chris. I'm glad you liked it. That makes me really happy, bro. Yeah, I'm bummed on. Oh, obviously didn't want to start the day losing 2 trades with y'all, but caught a nice winner. Let's cap it off. Let the Bulls play. I have a ton of free videos on my YouTube, and I'm live there right now, Carlos. For all of almost 400 of you guys on TikTok, make sure you guys tap into the YouTube. I live trade there as well daily. Jadon Trades on YouTube. This is definitely not 1 for 1. Gotta change that. 1 for 3 on the day so far. There we go. All right, guys, the YouTube's on the screen. Jadon Trades. Make sure you guys go subscribe. Just type in JDUN Trades. It's on the screen right here into your YouTube. 134K subscribers. Appreciate y'all subscribing and being here. I have a ton of value. Hard stops are still sitting at 98 on the rest. Just under 20 points in profit. I've ever been to Slush Motorsport meets. I have. They go too far. I don't like driving all that way. Using Colorado Springs or just long drives. Oh, bro, whenever I drive the Huracan, the small Lamb, I'm too tall, bro. I'm not meant for that car. I don't like to be driving that far. Oh, all right, guys. Got my stop and profit, 98. Final runners. We will take it, guys. We will take it. Maybe the JSI fires for you. Only other scalp I'd be able to see is if we broke that high. Or if you get a strong candle here, you can look for a long entry with stops below the low. Besides that, honestly, I'm chilling. Bro, the Huracan, the Lambos are made for shorter Italian men and women.
GD.
Like GD. Not 6'7" freaking mammoths with longer than average legs. I am in Colorado. Part-time Wyoming, part-time Colorado. But you can't have forever. Damn, Sicilian. You can fit any of the cars. It's awesome. Hey, Ryan's in Brookfield. I be dreaming, so you're not 6'7", are you? Bro, I promise you I am. How tall are you, Gene?
5'7".
5'7".
He's a foot taller than me. This is my tallest friend and the tallest person I know.
I'm the tallest person you know?
Yeah.
It's so sweet.
I feel like once you're around me though, you're like, you get used to it.
Come here, check this out.
Me?
Look at this, Gene. Let's just do a comparison. They don't believe I'm 6'7".
Compare and contrast.
Compare and contrast. Gene's what, 5'7"?
Yep.
5'7". I told y'all, look at that. Look at that. Told y'all. Giant. Oh my gosh, that's old CP. That's hilarious. That was at prom or something, huh? They clearly haven't seen the dunking videos, huh? They clearly ain't seen the dunking videos. Is that the old school Gucci belt? I think it is. I thought I was something wearing the Gucci belt, bro. I was gassed up wearing the Gucci belt. Well, my dad was like 6'10", and my mom is around 5'9", 5'10", yeah.
Your whole family's taller than me.
Crazy.
How tall do you think Gregor would be?
That could be tall.
I think he'd get a 7 foot.
I'm tall. She's tall. Her dad's tall. Should I drop the dunking videos today? I'll drop them on the IG story. JDUN Trades. JDUN Trades on IG. I'll drop them on. Oh, Riker does hoop. We don't give him screen time, bro. They just have him playing on the little basketball hoop. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, when you are trading on your funded accounts, or if you're looking to become a funded futures trader, the two firms I recommend most are Apex Trader Funding. You can use code JDUN for 80% off. It's on the screen here. Or Tradeify, 35% off using code JDUN. Both will get you the best possible discount always. I'll always do my best to help you out. A reminder too, if you guys are still trading with FFF, code JDUN for new evals and code JDUN reset on all resets. Code JDUN reset will work if you're still milking my old firm. Open the vault, release the JDUN. Reminds me of COD 5. Unleash the dogs! I haven't been a part of FFF for 4 months, bro. I sold my equity 4 months ago. I said, peace. I'm gonna go help Team Bull catch bangers every day again. So that's what I love to do. Among other reasons. But for the most part, that industry is just too toxic, bro. I'd rather rock with y'all, focus on my trading, and crush it every day. That's what makes me happy. That's what makes me really happy. Fetch me their souls. That was for zombies when the dogs came. Bro, I used to just go crazy on the zombies, bro. Oh my gosh, SL Brett. Life sucker. I love hanging out with Team Bull and focusing on my trading. Not being a part of the prop firm business. I'd rather personally just be an affiliate and help y'all get paid out. Seen so many gains lately, man. We've been crushing it. Win, lose, or draw, we trade together every day. Oh yeah, I sold that TCG 4 months ago, bro. Over 4 months. But they're still in business. They're still paying traders out. They paid almost $8 million. I still have a code there and I just don't promote it much. Code JDUN will still get you a discount if you want to trade there. Not required. Well, multiple reasons, Justin. For one, I love what I do. I love trading. I love teaching trading. I make money off teaching trading, and I also make money trading. So why not have the best of all the worlds? As a reminder, guys, if you want access to the Discord, or if you'd like more access to more free education, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at JDUN Trades. You can message me any questions. It's the only place that I answer questions, is JDUN Trades on Instagram. I have a ton of value on YouTube as well. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're here on YouTube. glad we could go back from red to green today. You guys ended up making any money with me on that final trade as well. Make sure y'all posting the gains and buying one person from their dinner today. Love seeing y'all post it in general. Or even if you got back to break even. That's a dub to me too. Points wise, we did. Went green in the day. Honestly, the only real good trade I should have taken, I missed two other solid setups I liked. Well, one really solid setup. And that last trade of the day was my A-pluser. Yep, TikTok is on the right. That's when I'm looking. Either I'm looking at my trading view chart or I'm looking at TikTok. YouTube, I got to get back on. I got to get on the full screen so I can see all the comments and have full screen there too. But it's been nice streaming with the YouTube as well. I have a ton of value on my YouTube. All of you guys at some point this weekend should spend some time on the YouTube watching my Orb Masterclass or any of my recent videos. There's a ton of value that you will go into next week feeling more confident with. JDUN Trades on YouTube if you're on the live. Appreciate y'all being here, liking the live, and hitting that subscribe button. Hey, I'm glad you loved the free guide. Instagram is my most consistent place I'm posting. So if you want to ask me any questions ever about trading, it's on Instagram at JDunTrades. You guys got any plans the rest of this wonderful Friday? Team Bowl? Mow the grass, hey. Think of it like this, it's a blessing you still get to. A lot of people would love to mow their grass, have grass to mow. About to hit the gym too. We're about to get out of here soon. It's crazy the entire Duke starting five got drafted, yet we choked in the tournament. How'd we choke in the tournament? Come on, John Shire. I expect more from you and your team. Hey, Maddie, that's awesome. Of course you can, Thomas. You should have. You want Team Bull shirt? Team Bull, Team Bull. Bro, Big Zo, I was so confused, bro. I was looking at the first round drafts. I was like, bro, where the heck are the Nuggets? Well, we're in a hard spot, bro, because the reason why they fired the manager too, Calvin Booth, is because, dude, a big part of it was that Coach Malone didn't want to get rid of KCP or Bruce Brown back in the day. Instead, we gave MPJ and Murray massive contracts. Bro, no one's taking MPJ's contract. Dude is low-key cheeks. He's the streakiest player I've ever seen in my life. So we're maxed out on our starters, and bro, we don't have a bench. It sucks. You know, Jokic can't do it all himself. If Jokic gets hurt, bro, it's over. The Nuggets are finished. Done. We ain't got no bench, bro. None. Yeah, but I just don't know if we're going to get our value out of Murray, man. He's on a max. We got too many maxes. You know who's doing it right is the GM of the Celtics, Brad Stevens, bro. The Celtics are doing it right. They're making moves. They let go of Drew Holiday and Kristaps Porzingis and saved $200 million and got a 20-point per game young baller. What's his name from Portland? At this point, I'm just gonna get out there and play. Yeah, the Thunder too. I mean, yeah, whatever. They are young. They got a bright future. And free and Fernie Simmons. I'm gonna be honest too, bro. It's gonna be tough. I mean, I'm wishing Halliburton the best, but that is not an easy injury to come back from. I don't know. Maybe I'm mistaken. I don't know of any player who came back and did better after their Achilles injury. It's so hard to come back from and to execute at that high of a level. I think physically and mentally. Maybe I don't know the data on it, but who's came back and had better numbers than prior? Has anyone ever? I don't think anyone has. Honestly, no. I still think the biggest letdown of all time, or not, letdown's not the right word, but man, if D Rose would have never gotten hurt, oh man, that guy, people forget how dominant he was before he got hurt. People forget how dominant D Rose was before he got hurt. Tracy McGrady was another really good one. He had some injuries too. Tracy McGrady was a baller. T-Mac was the GOAT. He was so nice. Oh my gosh, Grant Hill, fire too. Baller. Brandon Roy, baller too. Sharpshooter, man. Sharpshooter. Vince Carter too, man. The GOAT. Freaking Vince Carter, man. I'm 29. 29 years young. 29 years young. Bro, you should stay a day trader instead of talking about NBA. What are you talking about? All right, guys, let's talk about charts 24/7 in every candlestick, in every volume node, in every equilibrium. And shut up. Come on now. We make our money and we vibe. Don't. I can't win, bro. I can't. But hey, I'm just saying. We help the lovers and the haters here. So whether you're a lover or a hater, if you guys get value from these streams, if I've helped you with your discipline in trading and in life, make sure you use code JDUN on your prop firms with Tradeify and Apex. 80% off Apex, 35% off Tradeify. Or if you're trading on FFF mild firm, you can use code JDUN or JDUN reset on resets for discounts on resets. Appreciate you, Carol. Just time. Jump dragon. Gotta have a little tighter risk on those smaller accounts. You don't get as much drawdown. No trades right now. We're chilling though. You know what? Here's the deal. As promised. I don't think anyone's really here right now in the chat. So, let's see who's calling me. Oh my gosh, Grizzly, what do you want? What's up, fam? How you doing? Nice. How'd that go? Nice. Nice. So sweet. That sounds great. Oh, cool. That sounds awesome, man. I'm still in the live. Cool. Thank you, sir. Grismart. All right. See you, man. People just love calling me while I'm trading. At least Grizzly has a purpose when he calls me. Brandon just calls to yap in my ear. Nope, Green Eyes. Not. You know what? Hi, Green Eyes. What's going on? I'm gonna start calling you Brandon. Yes, that's, you know what? Well, at least you, this is your first strike. Brandon's on strike number like 40. So yeah, you reverse it. Have a good day, Green Eyes. Nice trade this morning, bro. Peace. Who else? Yeah, everyone's just calling. Calling. No. Fuck off, Gene. And Gene just started, bro. Gene's sitting 3 feet from me. That's crazy. Y'all just love messing with me, huh? I get it. Hey, Gene, how much is the growth eval for Tradeify with code JDUN?
What size?
50K. $90?
Yeah.
All right. We'll give someone flat hundo. All right, guys, here's the deal. I promise if we get green on the day, I do give away in the live. So if you are still here on the live, in the live trading chat, I want you to type me. I want just one of y'all to win $100. $100, which will get you a 50K eval with Tradeify, a growth, so there's no trailing drawdown. The advanced is trailing drawdown, not growth. 50K eval for you, baby. Type me. I'm gonna pick in 3, 2, 1, click. Oh no, I didn't get anyone. 3, 2, 1, click. Click. Okay, who do we get? Who we got? We got. Oh, hey, come back here, Louis. Louis trades. We got Louis trades with the win. Louis trades with the win. We got Louis trades. And you know what? Just for good measure, because I love you guys, and I think some of y'all love me, we're gonna do one more. We're gonna give away one. We're giving away 2. Code JDUN on Tradeify. Growth eval. They're $90 after discount. Louis, you got 60 seconds to reply. Louis got 60 seconds to reply. It's in the DMs. In the DMs. We're going to pick one more winner. Can't miss out one. We got to increase the odds a little bit. Bro's got to reply. 60 seconds to reply in the DMs. You know the rules. I don't make them. I just enforce them. In the Discord. That means he's likely not on voice. He doesn't know. In your DMs, Louis. I see you in, all right, I see you in chat, though. I see you in chat, so it's fine. Guess we'll honor it. We'll honor it. You have to DM me though to claim your prize. Now one more. All right, Gene. Come pick them. You pick the second winner. 5, 4. Tell me when to stop. 3, 2, 1. Tell me to stop now.
Stop.
Oh. 0. 0 end theory. Second winner. I need you to reply though. 0 end theory. 60 seconds. $60 seconds to reply. Oh, yep, he got it. Boom. Let's go. As a reminder, you will be getting $100 for a Tradeify growth eval using code JDUN. Only costs you $90. So you got an extra 10 to get yourself some coffee or something. Something. Watch out. He's afraid to post his entry marks live. Bro, what are you talking about? Just stop. That's a good sign that it's time to go to the gym. Trade smart, trade safe, everyone. Make sure y'all hit that follow button here on TikTok. Head on over to YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. It's JDUN Trades if you've been on the YouTube all day. Sorry we lost 2 trades to start, but we got a nice banger trade to end the day. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side, all right? God bless y'all. See you guys on Monday. Adios, everybody. Adios, trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see y'all on Monday. God bless. Make sure if you guys are getting more funded accounts, use code JDUN. Always gets you the best discount. Will always represent discipline over dopamine, and will always get you the best discount and help you. God bless. Peace. Adios, everyone. Goodbye.